Well, we finally found some good snow. I could not believe lower down towards the first chalet had tracks everywhere. So finally found some not very tracked out area. Look at the wind though, just above us. So we've made it into the area with all the drainages here. Actually, we've been playing in here. We're basically on our way out at this point. Yeah, so tried a couple of bow ties. The hill was already a bit tracked out, but I don't know, I'm just not feeling it today. Kind of not feeling super energetic, not super eager to do crazy stuff. So just boondocking around in the trees is pretty fun, and it's enough work for today. So I don't know what really we're gonna do with the rest of our day. Might call it an early one, but I'd say Nick made it to the top of the drainage. But yeah, anyway, we'll keep on ripping. Got some slabbage happening, and I'm right in a terrain trap right now. Oh, well, I think we've destroyed the hill enough that it shouldn't be too much of a danger. Kind of catching my second wind a little bit here, doing some boondocking. This is pretty fun in here. Unfortunately, the GoPro's dead. I did have it rolling a bit, but oh well, whatever. We've got some decent footage, I think, today. So, but yeah, so I just came in through here. It's a little bit tight getting through here, but now I got to try and figure out a route down through there. Should be fun. Unfortunately, GoPro is kind of the only thing you can use to film tree riding well, unless you have a long line of sight through the trees. Then you can use a handheld, but for just ripping around, GoPro is definitely where it's at. But oh well, it's good practice anyway, off camera. Another early one. not bad for a Sunday. Good to get home and relax a little bit before the work week coming up. So yeah, what a crazy difference it is from up top to down here. It is warm and drippy and rainy, and the snow is melting down here. It feels like it's mid-April down here, but like late February up there. It's crazy. But it's been a very weird snow year this year for sure. So yeah, I think that's basically it for today. Oh yeah, so being that we hit 1,000 subscribers last weekend, which again, thank you guys, that's awesome. I'm gonna try out monetizing videos for a little while to see how much the channel can make off of the videos. So if it's like next to nothing, I'll just not bother. There won't be any ads in the videos anymore or whatever. But if it is a decent little bit, then it'll just help the channel grow that much better and help with this expensive addiction we have going on here. Sledding ain't cheap, so especially when you turbo stuff. So anyway, yeah, so I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Big thank you to Nick for filming today. That was awesome. And yeah, be sure to subscribe, because next weekend is, you're not gonna want to miss. So it's gonna be a good one for sure. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.